Last year ka Good Friday, President Ramaphosa o ile ko Joseph Lekganyane's church ko St. Ignace. Namile ha fihla that Sunday ya Good Friday ya ba gore Joseph Lekganyane o propose taba tsa manyalo. So President Ramaphosa a gana ditaba tseo tsa manyalo. And then President Ramaphosa ha zanka a nyakishisha ditaelo tsa sprofito, ha zanka a nwa ditaelo ebile ha ngwadisa ditaba tsa hae ka officing that Sunday ya last year Good Friday. So ya ba gore Joseph Lekganyane wa kwata ha kwata mo President Ramaphosa o rile ha boela morao hae boshiu bona bo a tshwara ke segateledi se ileng gore na a thekilwe vele ke Joseph a nyaka ho mmolaya ka sona segateledi seo boshiu bona bo, because o ganne ditaba tsa manyalo ebile a zanka a nyakishisha ditaelo, ha zanka a nwa ditaelo ebile a zanka a ngwadisa ditaba tseo tsa everything ka tabang tsa ditaba tsa office, di problems go ba setseng le se seng se ileng gore o tshwanetse maybe or o nagana gore o tla sengwadisha. So ya ba gore Joseph Lekganyane wa kwata boshiu bona bo that Sunday ya last year Good Friday a theka Ramaphosa ka segateledi se ileng gore na nyaka go mmolaya vele that night. Yes.
So you would think that after, men from Moria came for her, she would keep her mouth shut. Now Mpho only is busy there on TikTok, and I don't know, man, something is just off about her, singing like a bird, making serious allegations against ZCC St. Ignace church leader Joseph Lekganyane. She has been doing a lot of videos about Joseph Lekganyane to a point whereby men and his right-hand man had to go to her place to tell her to stop talking and making these allegations against their leaders, because those are very serious and damaging allegations. You would think that this lady would then keep her mouth shut and not make these serious allegations. Now we saw Cyril Ramaphosa together with Joseph Lekganyane, let me just say St. Ignace church leader, during the Easter holidays, you guys, and Mpho is making these allegations, saying once again that Joseph Lekganyane almost wanted to unalive Cyril Ramaphosa because they failed to reach a certain agreement. She makes allegations saying that spiritually Joseph Lekganyane then went to the president of the country, and during sleep paralysis, he wanted to unalive Lekganyane. This girl has been making a lot of allegations. You guys, what do you think about this? Is this a case of mental illness, or is she really spiritually gifted? These things that she sees, are they really spiritually things, or is she having spiritual psychosis like people are saying that she could be having spiritual psychosis? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.